Hello, so today we're going to study lower thirds. If you don't know what a lower third or chiron is, don't feel guilty. You'll learn here. So we start our journey where we always do, import media. And we're going to go to downloads. And there we have lower third. We're going to import selected. And we're going to drag the import selected to here. Alright. And first thing we're kind of going to do is we're going to zoom in and we're going to eliminate the audio spikes because these are just me clapping. Like I said, the hand clap or even a clipboard is good at knowing where you're actually starting. And I'm just going to go trim to playhead. You see me do this in previous lessons. And again, trim to playhead. Whoops. Didn't do that correctly. Hold on. So, this is our clip here. Now, let's just start from the very beginning.
My name is Stephen Brannon, and I'm with Youth Driven Media. Now, how do you spell my name? Did I say Stephen or Stefan? And what about my last name? Did you hear Brannon, Brennan, or Brandon? Well, it would be great if we had some way to display it, and we do.
Okay, now what I want you to do is direct your attention up here where it says, up here where it says titles. You're going to click here, and some of these titles do come across as lower thirds. Lower thirds or chirons being what's displayed at the bottom of your screen. Now I'm going to actually choose this one right here, pop up lower third. It just so happens to be my favorite. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to select this, and that way I can actually edit it. And I'm just going to literally write my name in, Stephen Brannon. Now let's see what I can do up here. There's some options we can, but I'm just going to leave all these options as basically default. Except this, I'm going to outline the text. It's a good idea to outline text because what if I was wearing a white shirt, right? It'd be difficult to see. So what we have here is a 4 seconds because that's, if you've seen the previous lessons, 4 seconds is what you get. It's the default. So let's kind of go back here and let's actually watch this clip now.
Display it, and we do. It's called a lower third, and it's easy to do in most modern video editing softwares. And you actually have a choice of multiple styles for your lower third. So that'll be the
Okay,
lesson plan
hold
for
on.
today.
I'm going to bring this back to where it says multiple styles for your lower third. There's actually kind of a popular one in the iMovie software called Paper. And let's do that one. Okay, and let's click on that. We select it here as an option. And so name is going to be Stephen Brannon. Description, I'm going to have fun with myself and write the word prick. Come on, man, we got to have some fun. And we can stretch these and make them longer. We can stretch these and make them shorter. But that's about it. I'm not going to add any other options. Now, let's look at this and play it in its entirety. So let's go back to the beginning.
My name is Stephen Brannon, and I'm with Youth Driven Media. Now, how do you spell my name? Did I say Stephen or Stefan? And what about my last name? Did you hear Brannon, Brennan, or Brandon? Well, it would be great if we had some way to display it, and we do. It's called a lower third, and it's easy to do in most modern video editing softwares. And you actually have a choice of multiple styles for your lower third. So that'll be the lesson plan for today.